days, due to ongoing coronavirus lockdown, educational institutions across the country are closed. Students are stuck at home with a lot of free time on their hands. Even though our school have begun online classes so that the effect on academics can be managed. Our school management has provided us a big platform for your study, and teachers are also doing hard work to cover your syllabus. So dear students, be active with online classes and cooperate with us. The solution coming through the rise of online classes for students is proving to be a boon for students. So take it seriously and positively.
So students, in today's lesson we are going to discuss about the transformation of assertive sentence into interrogative sentence without changing in the meaning. So before we start, we must know about that what is assertive sentence and what is interrogative sentence. So first, about the assertive sentence, that what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence tells informations or states a fact, and it ends with a period, and it can be affirmative in both positive and negative in meaning. For example, Dhoni is a great player. It is a positive sentence. In negative, example is the sandwich was not tasty. It is a negative meaning sentence. And interrogative sentences ask a question and end with a question mark. For example, isn't Dhoni a great player? This is a question. Next example, was the sandwich tasty? It is also a question. Now we will discuss that how we transfer a sentence from assertive to interrogative. There are two steps. First is, if the sentence is in affirmative, then change it into negative, and if the sentence is in negative, change it into affirmative. Second step, move the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. So let's see these things in example. For example, Dhoni is a great player. It is a affirmative sentence. Now into interrogative, it becomes Dhoni is not a great player. Here, next example for step 2, isn't Dhoni a great player? Here we put the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. Next example, if it is in negative, for example, the sandwich was not tasty, change it into affirmative. For example, the sandwich was tasty. For step 2, for helping verb, was the sandwich tasty? So these are the two steps. Next, there are some cases. First case, if the helping verb is not provided in the sentence, then we have to check the tense of the sentence, and accordingly we have to use the helping verb. For example, these are do, does, did. For example, he plays cricket. Here helping verb is not provided, so we will check the sentence and accordingly we will use does. He does not play cricket. Or in interrogative, doesn't he play cricket? Next, case 2, we will change the words like never in ever and no into any. For example, Ajay will never forget my kindness. It will become, will Ajay ever forget my kindness? Here, see the change of never from ever. Next, no one knows you. It become, does anyone know you? Here, no change into anyone. Next, case number 3, everybody, everyone, or all. These types of words change into who, and plus don't, doesn't, didn't. For example, everybody likes to become great. It will become, who does not like to be great. And does everybody not like to become great? It will interrogative. Now let's revise what we have discussed in this chapter. Firstly, we discussed about the assertive sentence, that what is assertive sentence. Next, we discussed about the interrogative sentence, that what is interrogative sentence. And then we had discussed about the transformation of assertive sentence into interrogative sentence with 2 steps. First, if the sentence is in affirmative, change it into negative, and if it is negative, change it into affirmative. And in second step, we have discussed about the helping verb. That next, we have discussed about and I am giving some exercise with attachment. You have to check it and do it in your fair notebook.